Unlock your earnings potential joining the Walmart affiliate program. Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I'll talk about Walmart affiliate program and how to earn money from it. For people who don't know what Walmart affiliate program is, it's a marketing initiative offered by Walmart that allows you to earn commission by promoting Walmart products on your website, blog, or social media channels. Participants in the program, known as affiliates, receive unique tracker links that they can use to promote Walmart's vast range of products. When a customer makes a purchase through an affiliate link, the affiliate earns a commission on the sale. The program provides affiliates with access to various marketing tools, reporting dashboards, and support resources to help you to succeed in promoting Walmart products and maximizing your earning. So let's start. First of all, you need to open your web browser and navigate to the Walmart by typing walmart.com. As you can see, Walmart is offering a range of products every day, including groceries, clothing, electronics, and more with low prices. And as I mentioned earlier, you can earn money through the Walmart affiliate program by promoting Walmart products on your website, blog, social media channel. But how we can do that? So wherever you are, wherever the country you come from, you can become a Walmart affiliate. So let's talk more about affiliate program. For that, you can come to this web page, which is affiliates.walmart.com. Here we have informations if you want more details about the affiliate program. Let's see what we have here. So you can earn commissions by becoming a Walmart affiliate by signing up. Here is the three-step how Walmart affiliates program works. So here, if you want to get started, you can just sign up and then you connect your audience to products they love, and then you will get your money. Here we have some or advantages of being a member on this affiliate. So here we have, you'll receive a weekly newsletter with banners, links, and information, and you'll also receive access to the affiliate member center, and you'll also have the support of the Walmart.com affiliate account team members. So let's see over here. We have the security and privacy, to know more how the website works, and also to get more information and more understanding this program. So let's go over here. We have here terms and condition 2. Let's click over here. As you can see, there's a lot of information you can read, and then you will understand more. So here we have FAQ is that means frequently asked questions. Here we have the questions and their answers, just to understand, as I said, and get more information about the websites. So let's go to the home page. As we said, if you want to become an affiliate in this website, you can just click on sign up. So let's click over here, and as you can see, there is three steps. There is here user information, company information, and promotion and media. So we have over here first name. You need to fill into last name, email, and you confirm your email address, username, password, and you confirm your password. So the next step is, as I said, company information. We have here account display name, website, street address, apartment suite, and etc. It's optional field, and city and state, zip code, country, phone number, time zone, and currency. So you will fill in all this field to move to the third step. So here we have the main promotional method. As you can see, there is various method: content, reviews, deal coupons, loyalty rewards, social influencer, network, commerce solution, media arbitrage, and cross audience monetization. So you will select the one suits you more, or the one you want to use it on this affiliate program. And then we have the secondary promotional method. As you can see, we have here email marketing, search engine marketing, loyalty rewards program, coupons and promotional marketing, blogs, news sites, or other syndicated networks, cost per action marketing, mobile apps, content reviews, marketing, cheapens platform, and the other promotional method. Just to more understand, I'll explain. For example, email marketing. If you have an email list, you can promote Walmart's product to your subscribers through targeted email campaigns, craft compelling email newsletters, or product recommendations that encourage subscribers to click on your affiliate links and make purchases. Live here, for example, social media influencer can utilize or use your social media channels if you have a lot of followers, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest, to promote Walmart's product, share affiliate links, along with engaging captions, images, or videos that highlight the benefits or features of the products you're promoting. So these two are just an example. Um, you can choose whatever you want to use, and then the third field is promoting countries. You can select your promoting countries, and then you will submit. Once you've entered all the required information, review your application to ensure everything is accurate. To submit your application for review, after submitting your application, you'll need to wait for Walmart to review and approve it. This process may take some time, so be patient. Once your application is approved, you'll receive access to your affiliate dashboard. Here you'll find tools and resources to help you get started with promoting Walmart products and tracking your earnings. Then, with your account approved and dashboard access granted, you can begin promoting Walmart products on your website, blog, social media channels using the affiliate links provided in your dashboards. By following this step, you can sign up for the Walmart affiliate program and start earning money by promoting Walmart product online. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.